Welcome to Binondo, the oldest Chinatown in the world. Established in 1594, this vibrant district in Manila, Philippines, has thrived for over 4 centuries. Imagine, generations of culinary traditions passed down, creating a food scene unlike any other. Binondo isn't just a neighborhood, it's a living museum. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of Chinese culture and cuisine in the Philippines. Walking through the heart of Binondo, you feel the pulse of history. Spanish colonial architecture blends with traditional Chinese elements. Ancestral houses whisper stories of resilience and adaptation. Above the lively chatter, you sense the presence of those who came before. Their legacy lives on in every steaming bowl of noodles and every glistening roast duck hanging in a shop window. Prepare to be swept away by a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. The air crackles with energy as vendors hawk their wares. The clatter of woks, the sizzle of frying garlic, and the sweet aroma of pastries fill the air. It's a delightful sensory overload. The streets are a riot of color. Brightly painted shop signs display Chinese characters. Red lanterns sway gently in the breeze. Stalls overflow with exotic fruits, seafood, and spices. The energy is contagious. You can't help but be caught up in the excitement and anticipation of discovering new flavors. Prepare for a culinary adventure. Binondo is a paradise for food lovers, with countless restaurants and food stalls. Start your journey at Salazar Bakery, famous for its hopia, a flaky pastry filled with sweet bean paste. Don't miss their other specialties, like tikoy, the glutinous rice cake, and mooncakes. For a true taste of tradition, head to Wai Ying Fast Food. This no-frills eatery serves up authentic Cantonese dishes. Their roast duck and char siu, or barbecued pork, are legendary. Another must-visit is Dongbei dumplings. Their juicy dumplings, filled with pork, shrimp, or vegetables, are a culinary revelation. It's a gastronomic tapestry, exploring Binondo's diverse flavors. Binondo's culinary landscape extends far beyond traditional Chinese fare. It reflects the fusion of Chinese and Filipino cultures. You'll find a fascinating mix of flavors, from savory to sweet, spicy to sour. Explore the side streets and you'll discover hidden gems offering Filipino Chinese specialties like pancit, which are stir-fried noodles, and lumpia, which are spring rolls. Don't be afraid to try something new. Sample fresh seafood like lapu-lapu, which is grouper, and sugpo, which are prawns. Indulge in sweet treats like taho, silken tofu with syrup and tapioca pearls, and halo-halo, a refreshing dessert with shaved ice, beans, fruits, and leche flan. Every bite tells a story of cultural exchange and culinary innovation. Let's look beyond the ordinary to the must-try dishes in Binondo. No trip to Binondo is complete without trying these iconic dishes. First, indulge in the savory goodness of Peking duck at Kwanjud Roast Duck Restaurant. Their crispy-skinned duck, served with thin pancakes, scallions, and hoisin sauce, is a true culinary masterpiece. Next, venture into the world of noodles with a comforting bowl of beef mami at Mamonluk. This legendary restaurant has been serving its signature dish since the 1920s. Finally, satisfy your sweet tooth with a warm bowl of Ginatan Halo-Halo from President Grand Cafe. This Filipino dessert features a medley of sweet beans, fruits, and jellies, all swimming in a rich, creamy coconut milk broth. Navigating the labyrinth. Time and tips for exploring Binondo. Binondo is a maze of narrow streets and bustling alleys. To truly experience its magic, allocate at least a full day. Wear comfortable shoes and be prepared to walk. The best way to explore is on foot. This allows you to soak up the vibrant atmosphere and discover hidden culinary treasures. Come hungry and come curious. Don't be afraid to ask questions and try new things. The locals are friendly and passionate about their food. They're always happy to share their recommendations. Remember to bring cash, as many stalls and smaller eateries don't accept credit cards. Wrapping up the Binondo adventure. Thanks for exploring Manila's Chinatown with us. We hope this guide has inspired you to dive into the rich history, vibrant atmosphere, and diverse flavors that Binondo has to offer. Each corner of this bustling district holds a story, a flavor, and an experience waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video to stay updated on more exciting destinations and hidden gems. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, there's always something new to discover. Until next time, happy exploring!